Rise of the Resistance is very cinematic in the sense that you are being immersed into a real storyline where you're actually being transported from the planet all the way up into a Star Destroyer and then going through it. And the magic of the illusion is that you really believe that you're being transported, hundreds of miles out into space.
You're going to be recruited by the Resistance and get a mission from Rey that's going to take you off planet, so you can get on this ship right behind us. Our trackless vehicles are piloted by these R5 droids. You don't know which way the droid is going to drive the vehicle, so there's no tracks on the floor. And when that droid pops its head up and looks backwards, guess what? You're going to suddenly go backwards.
How do you recreate the experience of Star Wars into a real attraction? Things like lightsabers and things like blasters. Here, they have to be a real-time, real experience.
So you're going to see explosions happening all over the walls around you. Incredible audio and animatronics. You're going to see a fidelity in the articulation of these figures that you've never seen before.
When we were designing the land, we wanted to make sure that every moment felt authentically Star Wars. And we paid very close attention to make sure that each one of those things tied into the Star Wars universe and actually tied into the whole experience as well. And so I would say when you're waiting in the queue, look at everything.
Every inch of this ship is themed exactly as you would expect it to be, and in every direction there's something to pick up on. So it'll be a lot of fun when you get off of this ride going, hey, did you see that? So keep your eyes peeled every time you ride, you're going to notice another detail that you didn't catch before.
One of the things that we want to do was to create large scale. And so the AT-AT hangar is one of those things where when you come into it, you can actually see full-size AT-ATs.
And you're whizzing through their legs while you're getting blasted at by stormtroopers, and you got to get out of there before you get blasted.
I think Star Wars fans are just going to love it. I mean, myself as a Star Wars fan, I'm enjoying it. I'm grinning every time I see it, even though I've been living this for over 5 years.
I think if you're looking for that epic Star Wars experience, this is the ride for you. And it's going to be something you're going to want to go on again and again.
Guess what time it is? It's time to boogie! I'm DJ Rex. This may be your first time here, and it's mine too. This next song is banned in 7 systems, but that means it's perfect here.
It looks like I'm losing altitude fast.
Sorry, folks. I'm sure I'll do better next time.
It was my first time.
Well, that's next up.
Probably your first flight. That is mine.
Two. Hi there, customers. I better get started. I always wanted to do this.